Hi, my name's Abby, this is my dad, and this is my sister, Rebecca. Today I'm cooking with Abby. We're making zucchini brownies.
Zucchini brownies, healthy brownies. So here's a couple things to disclose. One, I wanted to make brownies on the show, but every brownie recipe I looked up had like so much sugar in it. I was like, there's gotta be a healthy one. So we found this recipe, but we'd never made it before. So this part of the video, when they're baked in front of you and looking all shiny and steamy and everything, we do at the end. But at the beginning, we really weren't sure if they were going to be good. We just tried a little bit, and are they good?
Yes, very good.
All right, so where can people find all the ingredients for this yummy brownie?
Here and at cookingwithabby.com.
Perfect. Shall we get started?
Yes.
So first things first, Abby is going to chop off the stems of our zucchinis, and then she's going to take the grater and using the big piece of the grater and grate those up. Rebecca, how about you crack that egg? Rebecca's going to start our mix here. Whoa. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Nicely done. You want me to take that? Oh. A little salmonella amongst friends, never hurt anybody. So as Abby works her way through the zucchini here, we're going to take the zucchini and we're going to put it in a strainer afterwards. We got it set over here in the colander here. And the reason we're doing that is to get some of the moisture out of it. We don't want to get all of it out, and in fact we're going to squeeze it a little bit to get a little extra out. But again, we're not trying to make it like super dry like we did with our latkes. We just want to take out a little bit of the moisture. All right, that looks pretty good. So put that in your big bowl. So we got our egg, and then to our egg, Rebecca is going to add our
Maple syrup.
Canadian maple syrup. I think you got it on your finger on purpose so you can lick it a little bit, didn't you? No, I'm kidding. Here, I'm going to help you clean out the bowls a little bit because you're leaving a little too much behind. Can't leave, especially the maple syrup. You want to get the coconut oil? Oh, it was spilt. No one cries over spilt vanilla. Okay, so put what you have in there, put what's in there. Coconut oil. And what do we think? That's about how much we missed.
What do I do when it's like here?
That nubby part, you don't need that anymore. You're good. No, I wouldn't do that because then you're gonna
So grate it
slimy.
more.
Mix it up. No, you're good. You don't want to get any skin in there because no one wants to eat your fingers. All right, so Rebecca's gonna mix that up. Abby's gonna get her second zucchini done in the strainer, and then we're gonna wrap up the mixing part. See you in a second. All right, so Abby has finished straining her zucchini. Rebecca, how about you add some cocoa powder to that?
Some juice.
And there's some juice there that's left over. We're gonna get a little more. Yeah, that's cool, just keep dumping. Cocoa powder, we have to be a little delicate because it's a very fine powder and we don't want it to go everywhere, like all over our apron, right, Abs?
Maybe. What if there's like a big chunk in here?
I would take out the big chunk because think about eating your brownie. Do you really want a big chunk of zucchini in your brownie?
No.
Yeah, so in goes the cocoa powder, in goes the salt.
Do I strain it over this?
No, you can just pinch it up a little bit. So what Abby's doing, and in goes the baking soda, and then you stir this up. Abby's just getting rid of a little extra of the liquid. Again, we don't want to make it super dry, but there's probably a good opportunity to get just a little bit more out of it. You got to be a little careful as well because we were cheap on our paper towel. Am I dripping zucchini juice on you? Yeah, you probably want to actually double up your paper towel so it doesn't break through at the bottom. I think that's cool. We're gonna do zucchini juice shots after. No one knew that part. That was a secret part. Rebecca, how's our stirry going there? Cocoa powder sucks to stir, doesn't it?
It broke.
It broke! Oh my goodness. So.
It's the end of the world.
Not really. So this is coming together here.
Ooh, that looks like chocolate. Like a fondue.
Looks like icing, chocolate icing.
It does look a lot like icing. That's probably because it's the cocoa powder and the oil, right? At the end of the day. What else did we have in here? Maple syrup. It's just like pure sugar, isn't it?
Yeah.
That actually brings up an interesting point. Maple syrup, you could use honey instead if you prefer. And from a coconut oil perspective, Listen, I love coconut. I think it's a great flavor. But you can use any oil that you like the flavor of. All right, dude, in goes the zooks.
How do, like, isn't paper towel gonna get into this?
Do it over the bowl.
Oh, yeah.
Not a lot.
No.
Besides, paper towel's pretty tasty.
How do
Oh!
you know?
What, you telling me you've never eaten paper towel?
Yeah.
Never.
Never.
No.
I'm not joking about the zucchini shots either. Abby's gonna mix that in. Oh, yeah, there you go. Mixy, mixy. Then the last part to put in is our whole wheat flour. I guess you could probably use all-purpose flour, but again, we're trying to make these a little healthier, right?
Yeah.
Wait, what did we make that was like very coconutty? This smells like it. We made like a, not the pancakes we made, the other thing. We made something, I think we did it
I
on
don't know.
Cooking with Abby.
We use coconut oil quite a bit. All right, so at this point you can mixy. Hold on.
I don't like the smell of coconut oil.
I love coconut.
Coconut oil reminds me of tanning oils, which no one should use anymore. So at this point we can mix this and get kind of aggressive with it. But once we add the flour, which Abby's going to sprinkle in now.
Sprinkle or?
You can dump it in. At that point we only want to mix till we've incorporated it. So not a lot, just fold it in. And then once it's done, we're good. And we'll be right back. So we have lightly mixed our batter. It's all good, ready to go, fully incorporated. We've prepared an 8-inch pan that we've lined with some parchment paper for ease of extract. And what temperature did we put the oven at? Do you remember?
170?
375.
Oh, yeah.
So after Abby's finished playing with a fork here, we're gonna pour our batter into our prepared pan. We're gonna
Do you
spread.
hold the bowl, Rebecca? And then I'll
I can hold
scrape
the bowl.
Two people can hold the bowl, but your hand needs to move.
Yeah, Rebecca, you gotta
Unless
move
you're
your
gonna,
hand.
or you're gonna cook your hand.
Or else you're gonna be nothing but the zucchini
Yeah.
and cocoa.
And we can just eat you for our snack.
Yeah,
I mean,
I had a
I've
bit,
seen
but I'm gonna-
more attractive batters, but I don't think there's anything wrong with it. There, you got a little bit left over.
I got a little bit left over.
You don't want to waste.
No, I want to dilute.
All right, so we're gonna spread this around evenly, trying not to destroy my beautiful parchment paper job there, Abigail.
Whoops.
Whoops. So we're gonna spread this out in the oven. What was temperature?
175.
All the numbers, right? 375 for 25 to 28 minutes. You don't want to over bake it because they kind of taste like cakey and gross. Not that cake is bad, everybody likes cake, but you want that ooey gooey center.
Like fudgy?
Like fudgy, exactly. So
Like birthday
25 to 28 minutes. You want the middle to be a little jiggly, but still kind of set. And
28 is very specific.
28 is very specific,
Why couldn't
but
they
it's somewhere
round it to
between
30?
25 and 30. So how do you describe between 25 and 30? 28. See you in 28 minutes and not a second sooner. You guys ready for your shots?
What shots?
Zucchini juice.
What's that? What?
All right, so our brownies are out of the oven. And remember how you were making fun of me about the whole 28 minutes thing?
Yes.
I think we overcooked them a little bit. The guidance was that if you cook them too much, they come out a little cakey and less gooey and rich. The other thing that the recipe describes is if you wait till tomorrow, like we'll leave them, they get a little gooier over time. So they look cakey, they don't look that gooey. Shall we try a piece?
Yes.
Are we gonna eat the whole thing?
Yes.
No.
No. But first, you guys thought I was joking. Who's doing the shot?
Me.
I want to try a little bit.
Both of us.
Okay.
Oh, 3 of us.
Okay. Little sip. Little cooties amongst friends. Don't worry. It's very zucchini-y.
Yeah, like very. I forgot to taste the zucchini for a second.
Well, that's it. No way. All right, let's try the good part with the cocoa in it. Yeah, just grab one piece and split her up.
Into how many?
It's still too piping hot. You want some? Okay. This is our second piece. Whoa!
Ginger.
Stay away.
It's only cocoa. It's not like our dog's gonna die.
No.
She's sleeping. Come eat. Thoughts?
Delicious thing ever. The most delicious thing ever.
The mostest delicious thing ever?
In proper grammar.
I don't even know that you really taste the zucchini, especially after having a zucchini shot. They're not very zucchini-y.
I tasted the zucchini after the zucchini shot.
Okay.
I the zucchini.
So there you have it.
Same taste.
Yummy. Maybe a little less gooey than we would have liked. We'll try
No,
the
it's just a perfect.
perfect amount of gooey.
I
Maybe
thought
they'll
it
get
was
goo-
more gooey.
You thought it was gooier?
Uh-huh.
I don't think more gooey. Gooier? Anyways. Hey, what can people do if they really like that recipe?
Instagram.
What about Instagram? How about this, folks? I've asked these guys 6 times to say this. It hasn't worked out very well, so
Follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notifications bell so you get all the new videos.
what's your YouTube channel?
Cooking with Abby.
Cookingwithabby.com, Cooking with Abby on YouTube, Cooking with Abby on Instagram and Facebook,
Cooking with Abbey.
Cooking with Abby.
Everything.
See you next time, folks.
Bye.
But they already know we already started. Blow your mind.
Ah.